I separated the windshield on the way here.
Yeah.
So I literally I got in Friday and I pulled up this piece of glass. And from there to there, the whole glass lifted up.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Monday, pulled forward on gold wheels. Yesterday, he just did like a 51 out of the trunk with a single 10.
Really? Wow.
The guy's nuts. He knows how to make something.
Yeah. So you built this box into the trunk. I'm on recording right now, so. Yeah. How many cubes did you gain building into the trunk, do you know?
I went from about 6 cubes to about 11 and a half cubes.
Really?
Gross.
Wow. That helped a lot.
Yeah.
I like the way your amp rack holds on. That's pretty cool. That's different. And is this what kind of lithium or?
160 amp hours of Yinglong.
Yinglong. Okay.
And they're powered by a 370 amp Brand X, charging at about 15.5.
Yep. Look inside.
Everything's unlocked.
Okay. You on Team SSA? What subs are these?
The SSA Evils.
SSA Evil, are they 15s? 15s.
Yes, sir.
So you went from 2 18s flat wall to 3 15s sixth order.
Correct.
Okay. So what do you wire to? Is it 0.6 or 1.3? 0.3. 0.33.
Yep.
Really? Wow. Nice. I remember the tube on the bracing for safety.
Yep.
Yeah, that's pretty unique. Safety.
Yes, sir.
And your doors are pretty solid too. Have you ever?
Did some finishing work.
Did you ever get meter score on this yet?
No, I got a plane just a couple days ago.
Huh.
It was crunch time before I got here.
Got it.
I separated the windshield on the way here.
Yeah.
So I literally I got in Friday and I pulled up this piece of glass. And from there to there, the whole glass lifted up.
Man.
So I went in with some 3M window weld and I just laid it on thick in there.
Dang.
And so far that's holding. This is still unglued down here, so it leaks at like 17.
That means you're getting really loud.
Yeah, you just see all the pressure leaking out of it.
Man. What is your tunings out of it? You know?
Probably 24 on the bottom chamber and probably about 56 on the top. I have to tweak it.
Dial it in.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think an inch longer on the top and an inch shorter on the back. Might do exactly what I need.
Okay.
It's musical.
Your battery meter.
Thanks, man.
That's pretty cool.
They're really cheap. They're only like 25 bucks or something from Access Power or Spark Innovations.
Pretty good idea. All right. Yeah. Oh, how many cubes is there? The chambers, if you know. That's a random one. I never asked you.
Net volumes for the bottom is about 10.5, and the top is about 12.
12. Okay.
So it's like a 1.2 to 1.
Yep, 1.2 to 1. Okay.
Trying to keep it pretty close.
Yeah. And are you still fine tuning your port?
Yeah.
You are?
Yep. I just got this plan 3 days ago.
Okay.
And I might add a little bit to this, take away from that.
Yeah. Roof's got some work, you can tell.
Yeah. It doesn't really move much at all. So it works out well.
All right.
I'm just dealing with windshield issues, like I was talking earlier.
Yep.
But that's it.
Awesome. I love a demo, man. All right. I'm ready. Yes, sir.
I'll give you some a little higher and a little lower.
What's going on, everyone? I'm Jacob Vile. I do daily cardio YouTube videos. This was at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021. Go ahead and give them a like if you haven't already, as well as comment, give them some positive feedback.
So these are some really small ports, but these are for a 6th order. They are 6-inch Aero ports, 2 of them. Got the job done for 3 15-inch subwoofers in cone area. Did a really good job bracing the roof. He was having some windshield issues, you'll see when we get to the Subflex demo. So I went ahead and added a video link in the description for the previous system we met from the last show with him having 2 18s and a flat wall. This was the thumbnail at the time. Recommend you checking that video out after you see this 3-song bass demo that he had. Did a really good job showcasing it. I like the amplifier staging that he has, but he has his amplifier wired down to 0.3 ohms, so he's getting all the juice out of the amplifier. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more daily cardio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this 3-song demo.
Okay. Play some of the music with you now.
Hot seat this one, but for the sake of moving hair, we'll just do windows down. Okay.
Different than the wall, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I like this system. I think this is one I'm just gonna hang out with. Yep. Baby it, beautify it.
Yes, sir.
So it's everything I wanted out of it. Yep. And, you know, I moved away from the
yes, sir.
floor.
Thank you for the demo, man.
Absolutely.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for coming by. It's good
yes,
seeing
sir.
you again.
You too.
Catch you at probably TDX next year.
Yeah, man. Sounds good. You have a good day, man. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.